In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a YouTube Music account. First, open your browser and search for YouTube Music. Type YouTube Music into the search bar and press Enter. On the results page, you should see YouTube Music right at or near the top, usually with the familiar red and white play button icon. Make sure you are not clicking any advertisement that leads somewhere else. You want the official YouTube Music site from Google. Once you see it, click the correct YouTube Music link and wait for the page to load. From there, you should land on the YouTube Music home or login screen. At the bottom left of this screen, look for a small text link that says Create Account. Click that Create Account link once. When you click it, a new Google account setup page will open in the same tab, with fields ready for your details. On this new page, you will be asked who the account is for. Choose the option that says For My Personal Use. This tells Google that you are creating a regular personal Google account that also works with YouTube Music. After you select it, the page will refresh or move forward to the form where you can enter your basic information. If you accidentally click a different option, you can use the back button and choose For My Personal Use instead. Now you will see boxes for your first name, last name, a Gmail address, and a password. Input your name, your desired Gmail username, and your password, then click Next. Take a moment to pick a Gmail name you are happy to keep using for mail and YouTube Music. As you type, Google may suggest available usernames if your first choice is already taken. For the password, choose something you can remember but that is not easy for others to guess, mixing letters and numbers. When all fields look correct, click the Next button and wait for the next screen to appear. After that, confirm your account details by completing the mobile phone verification or adding a backup recovery email address. On this screen, Google might ask for your phone number so they can send a code by text or offer a field to enter another email you already own. Enter the requested information, then follow the on-screen prompt to get and type in the verification code if needed. Once the code is accepted or the backup email is confirmed, you will return to a summary screen showing your new account details. Beginners often skip the recovery option, but adding it here makes it much easier to get back in if you ever forget your password. At this point, you will see the Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. Read through them if you like, then accept the Google Terms of Service to be automatically logged into your new YouTube Music profile. Click the I agree or accept button at the bottom. The page will finish loading, and you should now see the YouTube Music interface with your new account picture or initial in the top right corner. You have just created a brand new YouTube Music account that is ready for streaming. If this walkthrough helped you get set up, please give the video a quick thumbs up and subscribe if you would like more simple guides like this.